Good evening. I'm David Achari with Achari Capital Partners, and I'm here at the 2022 ACG New York Healthcare Conference, one of the best healthcare conferences not only in New York City but across the country. And today I'm here with a valued attendee, Ross. Ross, why don't you tell the ACG audience a little bit about yourself?
Sure. Ross Gundry. I'm a principal with Excellere Partners. We're based in Denver, Colorado. Been in business since 2006. And really kind of our core focus has been building a firm that's a destination for entrepreneur and founder-owned businesses within industries of consequence. So healthcare, industrial growth, with a healthy amount of regulatory framework, and our entire business is built around establishing a foundation for growth and accelerating kind of the long-term vision for our management partners.
And with respect to healthcare, what industries are you really interested in putting your LP's money to work?
Sure. So the way that we think about investing is it's a thesis-based approach. And so kind of within our four walls, the way that we divide up the world is into really kind of four subsectors. So physician practices, medical products, pharma services, and healthcare business services, and within each of those areas, the industry teams internally are tasked with building out a thesis and effectively going to market and finding the right opportunities.
And we have 400 of the most talented deal makers in the healthcare industry here at this conference. What are you looking for? What are you looking to get out of this?
Well, I mean, the biggest thing for us is making sure that we're developing the right relationships with other folks in the industry. For us, we have both geographic and subsector coverage. So especially coming out of COVID, where everyone was relegated to their home, finding opportunities to get in front of folks, representing assets that kind of fit within our thesis is really important, and there's no better way to do it than having a conference where you get to interact with a number of different folks in a pretty easy and effective fashion.
Great. Well, thank you, Ross, for participating in this interview. I guess I'll see you at the bourbon tasting a little later on.
Appreciate it.
Pleasure.
Thanks.